Ever wondered how to secure your financial future? Welcome to Simple Savings Squad, a beacon of financial empowerment that turns beginners into savvy savers and investors. At Simple Savings Squad, we offer a treasure trove of resources. Want to master the art of budgeting? We provide practical tips for creating a budget that doesn't feel like a straitjacket. Curious about investing? We demystify the world of finance and introduce beginner-friendly investment strategies. Want to save more money? We share clever hacks to help you save on everything from groceries to unexpected expenses. Dreaming of financial freedom? We guide you on how to build an emergency fund, pay off debts, and achieve financial independence. Why choose Simple Savings Squad? Because we believe in financial empowerment for all. Our faceless videos offer clear, jargon-free advice. We break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized pieces. We foster a community where you can connect with others on their financial journey. And we keep you informed with regular updates on the latest trends, tips, and strategies in personal finance. So are you ready to transform your financial future? Are you ready to not just survive, but thrive? Then subscribe to Simple Savings Squad. With just a single click, you can start your journey towards financial literacy, empowerment, and freedom. Secure your financial future with Simple Savings Squad today.